I have a document here, and this document has the $50 no deposit bonus, and this document continue the legal documentation, the terms and conditions of how to receive this $50 no deposit bonus, what are the withdrawal procedures, and everything that you need to know before you sign up. I'm going to give you the name of the broker in just minutes. As you can see, the broker's name is Quomarkets, but I'm gonna give you the link in just a few minutes. So watch the video until the end, where you're gonna see the link, where I'm going to put the link of this no deposit bonus. So you can see it's a $50 no deposit bonus, and here are terms and conditions. So the general terms and conditions: the $50 no deposit bonus is available for all companies, clients, and then this has started already in 2023. So it's running, so far it's still running, and as you can see, the document was updated 2024 right here. So don't get confused, it's still running in 2024. It's just that it is only available for people from one website. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. So let's just go through, read few information that we need to know before we sign up on the broker to get this $50 no deposit bonus. The bonus scheme is only available for the company's new clients, and only approved clients are eligible to claim the bonus. Only clients who have their phone number verified and are eligible to claim the bonus. So you have to get your phone number verified. It can be claimed within 30 days of registration, and then you should not use more than one IP address. So if you are using the Wi-Fi, just use that Wi-Fi and don't connect to different devices using different networks, different IP address, because that will violate the terms and conditions of this bonus scheme. And then eligible account are these two accounts. One is standard account, a raw account, and the bonus scheme is for trading purpose only. The bonus can be lost but cannot be withdrawn under any circumstances. The bonus will be withdrawn. So they are saying the amount under this bonus scheme is 50 USD, which is equal to also 50 euro. It should be noted that the company consider profit to be an amount above the deposit bonus received. So the maximum profit eligible for withdrawal is only 100 euro or 100 US dollar. To withdraw the profit generated in this bonus scheme account, the client must satisfy the following conditions. Condition 1: trades in a cumulative volume of 2 standard lots. You should complete at least 2 standard lots when you are trading this $50 no deposit bonus. At least 10 number of round tens. Only trades on Forex, gold and silver shall be calculated. So if you are trading Nasdaq and S&P 500, they are not added to the calculation of these 2 standard lots. So it's better be on a side of trading only Forex pairs and gold and silver too. Any withdrawal of funds from trading account is subject to full bonus removal. So that basically means if you made any withdrawal request, they will send through a withdrawal and they will remove the bonus right away. If a client wants to opt out of this bonus scheme, he or she should send an email to the support at Quomarkets.com. What they're saying here, if you just maybe you join the bonus and then later you realize you don't want to continue the bonus anymore, maybe you want to pay out or something, just email them to the support, the company's support email. The bonus scheme will last for a total of 30 days period. After that, the bonus scheme will be automatically removed from the account. Where there is eligible profit, only this amount will be transferred to the client's wallet. Where is no eligible profit in the account, both the bonus and profit made will be transferred to the company, and no amount will be transferred to the client's wallet. So what they are saying here in this paragraph is that if, let me say, you are trading with this $50 no deposit bonus and you made a profit of less than $100, let me say you made a profit of 80. So at the end of 30 days, they will not give you any withdrawal, they will take everything. But if you made a profit of more than 100, or let me say a minimum of $100, they will make sure that you receive your profit after 30 days. That profit will be available for withdrawal on your wallet, and then they will remove the $50 bonus out from the account. There are examples given right here. Example A, $50 is active and the account was traded with a 2.2 lot volume and account profit was 100. After the client request, the bonus will be removed. 100 will be removed from the client's account and added to client's USD wallet, and all trading restrictions are lifted. That means if you made a profit of 100 USD, it will be moved to your wallet where you can trade it and you can withdraw it without any other restriction. But if you get the active 50 USD no deposit bonus and you trade the volume of 2 lots, account profit is 500. Still, the client request, the bonus will be removed. 500 will be removed from the client's account and 100 will be added to the client's wallet. So whether you made $1 million from this account or you made 10,000 or you made 100 is the same, as long as you reach the 2 lot size standard lot requirement and the minimum profit of 100 USD, which is also the maximum withdrawable profit, you can just get that 100 only. So example 3, if you get this $50 deposit bonus and then you trade the volume of 4 lots and then you made all the money, total client deposits which is 200, account profits 500, total balance is 700 plus USD credit, total withdrawable is. So they basically have this thing. If you make a deposit on top of that bonus that you get of a $50 no deposit bonus, if you made a deposit, they actually just give you all your profit without any other restriction. But I don't recommend anyone making deposits in this type of brokers. So you just get the bonus, you trade the bonus, you get your profit, and maybe then you should opt to trade with them if you have developed the trust with them. But right now, just get the bonus, trade the bonus, get the profits. That's how it goes. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I don't think I have other terms and conditions to read right here, so I'll drop the link on our Telegram community. I'll put the link on our Telegram community on the first pinned comment or maybe inside the description, and I'll put the bonus. I'll put this document on our Telegram channel right there. So thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video.